Yeah.
Is the door locked? Unlock the door. Is the door locked? You gonna unlock it? Come on, show me how you do it. Yeah, let me see if it's locked. Is it locked? Alright, unlock it.
I locked it.
Unlock it though. You gotta unlock it. You gotta get in. It's locked. Unlock the door. Come on, do it.
Yes.
Yep, do it like you did before. Let me see how you do it. It's on the other side.
I found a thing you stuck inside my shield.
Okay.
I figured it out. Here, put this in the toolbox. Come on. Go. Okay. Can't.
Come on, you did it before. You just got your brothers in there. Unlock the door. Let's see it.
Can't you this?
Can you use anything else?
Yeah.
Find something else to do it. Let's see it. Alright, then do it with that again. Come on, do it.
I can't.
Come on, try again.
I can't. I do this.
You use that one?
Now listen. You're probably gonna lose something. You're gonna get me in trouble. Because it's my responsibility. I like that star. Yeah, this is like something for cabinet. I didn't do this no more.
You use the other zipper. Use the other jacket. Use the one you used before. Use that one.
That was in there.
No, it's in here.
I locked it. Oh yeah! Got it.
You got it. You're definitely your daddy's daughter. Alright. Come on. You gotta leave the room now, because I gotta finish the shelf.